No, I never do. Come on, Dennis. You know I do. I'm constantly wiping the lens.
What I tell you, I ordered one of those waterproof cases. See if that'll work.
What waterproof case?
The one with the USB
Oh.
wire coming out the side.
Yeah.
So we can power it remotely.
Yeah. More gadgets.
Well, I'd like to be able to use that little remote thing that it runs down so fast.
Yep.
And then it runs the camera down so fast when it's on Bluetooth. So I figure if we could do that, we can mount that thing on our handlebars or something. Not have to worry about it all day. Now we can go ahead and get started and get that out.
Getting spread out a little bit again. That just tells me that some people are uncomfortable, so.
Well, I got Lenee behind me and I'm
So Mike Strong, then Don, then Gary, then Rick, then me.
he's not right in the boat. Stuck back there. Like a truck nailed this one.
Usually is.